So today we're going to talk about how do I choose bathroom tiles. Now, there's a few elements we need to think about with the tiles. It's going to be the size, the colour, the grout lines, whether we're going to fully tile, we're going to half tile. So you have to think of all the things. That all does come down to the design itself as well. But the main thing you need to think about is if you have a large tile, it does reduce the amount of grout lines like a small tile will. So bear that in mind, because obviously a lot less to keep clean when you're having a larger tile. Larger tiles, nice big rectangle and square ones, obviously make the room feel bigger. Even in a small space, that's quite a good option. Then you've got to think about like the modern or the traditional. So a more modern bathroom will have larger tiles, where maybe a traditional bathroom will have like the small metro or brick tiles, so you brick effect. So you need to think about them things as well. Also, you need to think about the quality of the tile, whether it's going to be a porcelain or ceramic. And then the last thing to think about is really the colour, because this all comes down to what colour is your bathroom furniture going to be. If you're not going to be fully tiling, what colour is the paint going to be? Because you really have to put all these elements together before you can make that big decision on choosing your tile. So it's really important with tiles, you either pick your furniture first and your colour scheme first, and then your tiles, or pick your tiles first and then pick your furniture colours and your wall colours to suit the room. So I hope that helps in a little way on helping you choose the right bathroom tiles for you. Now, I've created loads of blogs, videos and articles, all designed to help you with your home improvement. So why don't you go check them out, and I'll see you next time.